guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do that viral ombre illusion French tip. So I'm just going to be doing this design on some press-on nails. Here are all the items that you're going to need. 2 gel colors, black and white. And then I'm also going to be using these brushes, this liner brush, ombre brush, and then another ombre brush. Hopefully you can understand what I'm saying. I'm a little bit under the weather right now, so my voice is gone. But, you know, we're gonna push through. We're gonna make this video. I'm gonna show you how to do this awesome design. So we're gonna start with the base. I'm just gonna use the white from Valentino. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this on all of the nails. And so I'm just starting with the white, and I'm going to do the whole entire nail with this as the base. And I'm using the white because you can easily cover it with the black versus, you know, you do the black base, it's a little bit harder to cover with the white. Okay, now that I have all of this covered, I'm just gonna go ahead and cure it in my lamp for 60 seconds. Okay, and so now what I'm gonna do is take the black and we're going to put the black on half of the nail. So we're just gonna turn it to the side. And we're going to do 2 coats of this just so we have a full cover nail and it's not, you know, see-through how it is here. You can kind of tell. And now I'm just going to take the whites and I'm going to put that on this side. And I'm just going to take my brush and kind of take it through the middle a couple times real quick. Leave that right there. Make sure that you have something to wipe your brush on so that way you're not contaminating your gel. Okay, so now I have this brush. And what I like to do is just take it and drag it through the paint. Back and forth, lightly, but fast, so you get that ombre effect. I'm just going to wipe my brush real quick so it's nice and clean and smooth. And I'm just going to do it again. Okay. So now I'm going to take the As If Ombre brush from Nails by Dev, and I'm just going to pat down the middle so that way I have a very smooth blend. And I'm just going to go back and forth and blot. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the black on all of the nails now. On the left side only. I really love black and white nails. I think they're so pretty. The contrast is great. You can wear them any time of year. They match everything. They also look very edgy. So when you're doing this on someone's actual hand, you know, you have to go a little slower by the cuticle area, but just push the product up there and try to get as close as possible. Even take a liner brush to make it as close and clean it by the cuticle as you can, because with this design, it can get like a little messy when you're doing it on someone's hand when you're trying to blend it. Now I'm just going in with the white on all of the nails. Just wipe it. So I've seen people do this design multiple different ways, but this is the way that I found that I get like the smoothest ombre results, like without using an airbrush. And I have tried to use a sponge, and it never comes out good for me. Anytime I try to use a sponge, I don't know how people do it. It looks like magic when they do it, but when I do it, it looks like I used a sponge and it looks a mess. Then I saw with the acrylic underneath, and I haven't tried that way, but I just feel like that's an unneeded step. And I am going to go in with the second layer of this polish after we cure, just to give it the best ombre that we can give it. Okay, so I went ahead and did all of these. I'm just going to show you on this nail the second coat and what I do. So we're doing another coat of the black, so it's fully covered as black, no white is coming through, and we're still going down the middle. And then I'm going to go in with white on the side. Then wipe your brush. And now what I'm going to do is take my As If ombre brush from Nails by Deb and just go down the middle. And blend that so it's smooth. I'm actually going to go back in right here. Oops, out of focus. And add some more white. And a little more black just because I blended that too much over. We're going to cure this again for 60 seconds. Okay, now I'm going to add my French tip on. So I'm just going to take my Hella Cute liner brush from Nails by Dev. And my hands are covered in paint. Just going to take this, put a line down the middle. And do my French tip line. Then we're going to fill it in with the white. Alright, then we have that side done. I'm just going to do it to make it match the other side. And now I'm just going to go with the black and fill it in. And I'm just going to fix that line real quick, as you can see that it's not fully straight there. It's hard when I'm trying to hold this up so the camera can see, so you guys can see, and then so I can see. All right, and I'm just gonna take the black over a little bit. And then I'm just gonna take this brush and blend it. And we're gonna take another brush that I have and clean up the smile line. So we're gonna take this brush and just clean up the smile line here. I try to be typically as like neat as possible because I don't really want to go in and clean up anything. But right here, I just I just didn't care, obviously. Go, we got our first one done. Now we gotta do all of these. Okay, so I went ahead and finished up my nails and put top coat on, and they'll be finished up in a couple of seconds. Right now my camera died, so I was like, let me just go ahead and finish these and then show you the finished results. Look at that, so cute. So you can do this with any color. Do it as press-ons, do it as a gel manicure, do it on acrylic. It's a really fun design. I think it's pretty simple. I mean, some people think it's hard, some people don't. I think it's just when it comes down to blending it, like if it gets like really streaky, then it gets frustrating because it's like, hey, you know, I want this to look smooth. But comment below what you think about these nails. If you'd like to see me do another color, you can check out my TikTok account where I have a couple of different color combinations on there, and you can comment below and I will do a short clip of that. And if you would like to see more trendy nail tutorials, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. All right, thanks guys for watching my video. You guys take care. Here's what the nails look like on. Look how cool these look. Oh my gosh.